let me show you guys some interesting stuff. So my brother is a carpenter, I guess. So he does some woodwork. So I just want to show you guys some of his works today. If you are interested, want to check out some designs, and if you're interested in maybe availing his services, you can always check the description. I will mention their Instagram handles and other social media accounts. He's working on one of a high-ranking officials here in Nagaland in her house. So he did some woodworks. This is one of them. This is a wardrobe. I really like the two-tone kind of design that they have made. Simple. It doesn't really stand out, but it's very simple, and I like such designs. This is a walk-in closet in the master bedroom. They have a lot of storage cabinets. This is almost 10 feet, I was told. Also got these inside kind of typical Naga style storage area as well, with the drawers. Big enough to store your small mini stuffs and trinkets. There is another such design upstairs in their house, and I will show you the same thing as well. And let's go check out other design that they have made in the house. There you go. This is the full shot. Yeah, nice. Next one is a kitchen cabinet. What is the size of this? 7.5 in length and 8 in breadth. This is a very high glossy finish. I really like the off-white color. A lot of compartments as well. And it looks very neat as well. I really like this design as well, to be honest. So that's the next one, and let's check out the other one as well.